How to reset Snapchat camera. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about resetting your Snapchat camera depending on the problem you're having. First, you can go ahead and restart the application. Completely close the Snapchat application if you're using it and then reopen the app. This is going to fix your small camera problems. And another thing you can do is you can clear the Snapchat cache. For that, open Snapchat, tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen, then tap on the gear icon in the top right. Once you're in the settings, scroll all the way down and there you will see the option of clear cache. That is under account actions. Tap on that and then tap on continue and you'll be done. This will not delete your memories or chats. This will only delete the cache. Now, another thing you can do is you can check the camera permissions. If you're using iPhone or Android, go to settings, tap and hold the Snapchat application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Now scroll down and tap on storage, then click on clear cache, come back, go to app permissions and make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app and enable camera. Once you do that, go to your phone settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Now from here, simply search for camera application, then scroll down and go to its storage and then click on clear cache. Or you can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Another thing you can do is you can delete the Snapchat and reinstall it to reset all the settings. You will need to log in again and your memories are safe in the cloud if you backed them up. And if you're still having problem, you can go ahead, restart your entire device and this should definitely help you fix your problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.